Good morning, boys and girls. Today we're going to work on suffixes est, and ness. Understanding how words can be broken into meaningful parts is an important vocabulary strategy. Recognizing common suffixes or word endings will help you determine the meanings of new words. Today we will work on the related suffixes est, and ness, and explain how each suffix affects the meaning of a word. Then you will have multiple opportunities to analyze and use words with suffixes. What word do you see inside all these words? Yes, we see the word kind in all these words. Kind is a base word. You can add word parts to it to make new words. Now, look at est, and ness. Word endings like est, and nest are called suffixes. When we add a suffix to a base word, the new word includes the meaning of both the base word and suffix. If you look at kinder, then kinder would mean more kind. When you look at kindest, then it would mean the most kind. And when you look at kindness, then it's the state or quality of kind. Remember, the suffixes er and est are used to compare people or things. Now let's look at the three words that I have on my screen. We have happier, happiest, and happiness. I'm going to draw a slash between happy and Sometimes suffixes change the spelling of the base word. When we add the suffix er to happy, we had to change the y to an I. So for happiest, I'm going to slash it between the I and the est, and where the y used to be, we have an I. And the same for happiness. Happier has a base word and a suffix. By putting the meaning of both together, we can understand the meaning of the whole word. The base word is happy. Happy means glad or joyful. The suffix is er or It means more than. When I put them together, I know that happier means more glad or more joyful. The suffix er or can also mean a person who does something, such as this first picture of a teacher. A teacher is a person who teaches, and then we have a picture of a writer. And a writer is a person who writes. Context clues in sentences will help you decide whether the suffix means more than or a person who does something. Here we have a chart of base words. Let's look at the word sweet. Here we have the word sweeter, which has the suffix Which tastes sweeter, cereal or ice cream? Well, ice cream, of course. Remember, means more. If we look at the word sleep, sleepiness. I know that the suffix ness is the state or quality of. So if it's sleepiness, then I am in the state of being sleepy. All right, boys and girls, now it's your turn to practice using your suffixes while you write. You may choose 2 or 3 ER, EST, and ness words that use the same base word. You're going to use these words to write a few sentences comparing one thing to another. Let's look at my example. I am happier playing basketball than doing homework. I am happiest when I am with my dog. Happiness is a good feeling. All right, now it's your turn.